guys. Okay, so we are here at Ashley's and we have a super duper exciting announcement. We are actually partnering up with Ashley's to redecorate my parents' house and I am so excited. Oh, hair on my face. So they are actually going to donate $5,000 to help furnish my parents' house. So if you guys are new to my channel, then you wouldn't know that my parents lost their house and they lost everything in there to a terrible flood that happened. And Ashley was so kind to partner up with us and furnish their house. We were so excited. So let's go on in there and see all the goodies they have. You guys know my whole house is Ashley's, so I just wanted to have that be my parents' house as well. So let's get started with this video. Once again, thank you to Ashley's for partnering with me on this video. You guys are so sweet and I just appreciate it so much and my parents appreciate it so much. So let's go look at some goodies and see what they have. So this is the Ashley's Urbanology section. The Urbanology section is my favorites. They have so many cute, rustic, modern pieces that I love. Like this right here is so pretty. This whole collection is really nice. I love this. This is a really nice couch. Is it comfy?
Pretty comfortable too.
Yeah?
Nice.
Your sweater matches. You like
Blend in,
you
right?
blend in. They have so many nice things here. This is really pretty. So what I do know, guys, is that my dad has always wanted a recliner sofa. So that's what we're looking for. I want to get him a recliner sofa so he can watch his Cowboys games and drink his beer and just have a good old time. So I'm thinking something this color. They really like brown, so let's keep looking. But you guys, they have so much selection. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. The lights that come out of that's really cool. I like this a lot. This is really nice. $7.99 for the sofa. Wow. Oh, this is nice, but it's too big for their house. Wow. What the heck? Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, it's moving. Oh, that is cool. Now this right here I could get used to. We should get some of this in our media room. There's lights in the cup holder. That is really cool. Wouldn't these be cool in like a media room?
Yeah, those would be great.
How much are they? $7.99. $7.99 per. It has USB chargers. What? Right here. There's a USB right there. That is crazy. I love that. They also need some mattresses, so I do know I want to get them some mattresses. Oh wow, look how pretty that bed is. Isn't that gorgeous?
Very nice.
They have so many cute options for kids' beds and kids' rooms. Oh, that's the bed. That's the bed I was looking at that I want for the guest room. Yeah, that right there is super cute. I want to get that for my dad's man cave. That'd be perfect. Look how pretty that is. So this is what I want to get my parents. This is so pretty. It's perfect for their bedroom. I really want to redo their bedroom with really, really good furniture. That one over there is really pretty too. But this one really called out to me. I really like it. This could be like my dad's dresser. This larger one could be my mom's. And I really like that. The headboard's really nice as well. Yeah, I think this might be the winner. The only thing I haven't found are the sofas. This is nice too. Wow. They didn't plan this at all.
They do what they need?
They didn't plan this at all. You can feel the texture.
Yeah.
Another thing, guys, is people don't realize that Ashley's has decor pieces like lamps, wall art, all types of stuff, vases. They have so many different home decor pieces. Like, look at these candlesticks. They're gorgeous. So they have way more than just furniture. They have a lot of decor pieces. They have lighting as well and light fixtures. So definitely check out your Ashley's because you'll find a lot of cute little decor here. They're sterile. You look like you're pondering something very important.
Yeah. I'm not.
So they have this really cool kiosk here, guys, where you can look to see what they have online if they don't have it in store, because Ashley's in store only has about 5% of the actual inventory that Ashley sells. So a lot of the stuff online, they don't have it in stores. So I'm gonna look for some couches. Oh, there you go. Ooh, reclining furniture. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Reclining love seats. Oh wow, those are perfect. That's it right there. This one has some little cups, cup holders. That's so cool. So if you ever want to look at anything, you guys can come to this kiosk and it has everything you need right here. Okay guys, so there are so many options to choose from here at Ashley's. You guys already know I love Ashley's. This is the best place to get your furniture. It has lasted so long. Our sofa couches, our bed frame, we don't ever want to really change them. Like, our bed frame is like, I love our bed frame. Oh my gosh, look at that mirror. That mirror, like, it's literally always a distraction coming here because everything's so pretty. So once again, thank you to Ashley's for partnering with me on this video and donating to my parents the $5,000 for their home. My parents are going to love it, and I cannot wait to share with them what we chose for them because I already know their style, so I already know exactly what they'd want. So I'm so excited, and once again, thank you to Ashley's. You guys have helped them in so many ways that you have no idea. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and follow me at my lovely Texas home. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.